Hey guys, it's Nabil from Topaz. Hope you're all doing well. I've got a really cool video. Apologies for using my phone on this because I don't have the other camera, but we're going to be doing a video today and it's something really special and it's right behind me. There it is. This Senna. I mean, it's a phenomenally spec'd Senna. Honestly, it's absolutely amazing. So we did a video of the whole process, the full detailing process and the paint protection film process as much as we can without boring you too much. So roll on the video. I hope you enjoy it. I'm gonna catch you on the next one. And I obviously forgot to say, make sure you like, share and subscribe. Or is it share, like and subscribe? Something like that, you know what I mean.